The government says it has delivered on its promise to relocate all hurricane victims from schools by the end of this week. In confirming the move, local government minister Desmond McKenzie criticized those he says have been exploiting the situation for personal gain.
I'm pleased to announce that we have met the deadline.
The local government minister confirming that all shelterees at schools will leave the properties by the end of Thursday. But meeting the self-imposed May 8 deadline has not been without challenges. Mr. McKenzie claims the relocation process has been frustrated by persons with ulterior motives.
There are persons who are deliberately encouraging some of the shelterees not to relocate. We're seeing it being played out in Petersfield in Westmoreland, where all the shelterees have made their move except 3 families.
He did not name the people meddling in the process, but says the last 3 families at the center of the figurative tug-of-war will move into somewhere dignified by this evening. He says pictures seen in the media of some of the residents' new temporary homes were captured before the improvements had started.
It is unfortunate that some people in the society want this effort to fail. That is why we're getting the kind of pushback that we've been getting about the relocation of shelters. So I would urge those persons who continue to create mischief and to encourage people not to move, to forget it. We made a commitment and we are fulfilling that commitment.
As it relates to permanent new homes for Hurricane Melissa victims in Western Jamaica, this update.
As I speak, the housing solutions are presently in Western Jamaica and work is almost completed for us to put on the first set of houses to actually provide for the persons the permanent residence that they are going to be occupying.
Nakinski Robinson, TVJ News.